Welcome to RoofSnoop, the easy way to remotely measure roofs for work such as refurbishment estimates or the installation of solar panels. In order to use RoofSnoop, you must first locate the property you are interested in. This is achieved by either searching for the property address you require or by using your device's location services to find your current position. To manually find an address, tap the Address Location button to start your search. Note that the address of the last search you have made will be displayed here. If you wish to use this existing address, you can simply tap the Locate on Map button to be navigated to that address on the map. By tapping the Address Location button, you will be presented with a list of previous addresses that you have searched for. Tap one of these to be taken to that address on the map. To search for a new address, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Start typing address details. This can be a full or partial address with details such as property name, street name, or just a postcode or zip code. As you type, RoofSnoop will make suggestions for the best matching address or area. When you have located the property you are interested in, simply tap that address and you will be navigated to it on the map. After navigating to the map, note the pin indicating your desired location. If you wish, you can move the pin to an alternative property by tapping and holding at the point concerned. In order to measure the roof, zoom in as far as you can to the property in question. If required, rotate the device to landscape to give you more space for the zoom. The roof is measured by drawing a box around it with guidelines. Therefore, the map must be rotated until the front edge of the roof is parallel with the bottom edge of the screen. With the roof aligned, you can now drag guidelines to the map to enclose or box the roof. Simply tap and hold on a ruler along one of the edges. A guideline will appear which can then be dragged to an edge of the roof. Repeat this 3 more times with both horizontal and vertical guides, creating a box around the edges of the roof. The guide can be adjusted by tapping and holding on it over the ruler. The guide can then be adjusted as required. By double tapping on a guide, the ruler will be set to 0 at that point. Here, we zero guides in both the horizontal and vertical axes. You can then see the measurements of the other guides relative to the 0 guide. Also, by tapping on any of the guides, you can read off its measurements in the data panel. To remove a guide, simply tap, hold, and slide the guide over to a ruler, then release. To get the best measurement of roof depth, the roof's pitch must be set. This must be estimated but is preset to 30 degrees. To set the pitch, tap the angle button and select the required angle. The roof's calculated depth and area can then be read off. The info panel also gives more information about the measurements taken. These include the width of the roof, the roof angle that you selected, the roof's azimuth, defined as the roof's angle off the north-south line, and the currently selected guide's measurement. If you have Google Maps selected as your source of map data, it is sometimes possible to view the property and get an idea of roof angle by selecting Street View and looking at the property from the various different positions. Finally, when you have measured your roof, create a printable or shareable view of your survey. Simply tap the printer button, confirm your roof pitch, and note the PDF document created for printing or filing as necessary. If you require any further information or assistance with RoofSnoop, please contact our tech support by emailing support@isolarapps.com.